So I just got off a coaching call with a client. It was supposed to be a 1 hour coaching call, but it lasted maybe like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. You ever on a call with somebody or something and y'all are just vibing and it's just such a good conversation, like you just forget about the time. It was one of those calls. And it just made me realize a lot of things. It had me thinking about my journey, um, my business, and I'm just very grateful, man. For one, that's the first thing I got to talk about. I'm just very grateful to be in this position, being able to have my business, run my business full time online. And the main thing is being able to impact people. That was one of those realizations of just the impact. It's like sometimes we lose sight of that. I've definitely lost sight of that. Um and it was just this was that reminder of the impact that I have on people and have had on people. Just from, whether it was through coaching or even like with my videos. It's like the numbers are cool, the money is cool. But in the end, usually for a lot of people, like I can only speak for myself, but like it's usually deeper than that. It's like we want purpose, we want impact. And that's what I felt from this call. And I think sometimes I can get away from that. Or I guess you could just say I forget about that. How we just forget about things and we need that reminder. And that's what this call did for me. The people I've been able to talk to, the conversations, since I've been in this online space and on this journey of, having side hustles, building up um businesses, and now, working for myself full time. Man, I've had some really good conversations with people. I met a lot of good people. If y'all don't know, I'm a loner. I'm an introvert. I don't really go too many places. I don't really talk to a lot of people, but online and like through like services, like mainly with coaching, I've met some really cool people that I've connected with on a deeper level than just me providing a service. And I just think that's super cool. And you know what else this call made me think about? It's like on this journey, I've quit, stopped and started. I've questioned certain things I was doing, like should I keep doing it? Maybe thinking like, oh, I'm not gonna put this out there. Like nobody wants to hear this, or I'm not gonna start this business idea, just kind of like in your own head. And I've seen that a lot from like coaching calls I do with creators. Like most people are just in their own way. They're just in their own head and overthinking a lot of stuff, or they don't believe that they have something of value to offer people. And that's the crazy part. Because I've thought like that before, of like, I'm not even gonna put this out there. Like nobody's gonna care. It, like it don't even matter. Like I guess you could say like talking yourself out of stuff. Like I've seen a lot of creators do that, myself included. And like this coaching client, she has so much to offer, right? So many experiences, so many stories, lessons, and like her niche is a great niche that can truly impact and help people. And the fact that she was even questioning that, and that's crazy because I've done that on my journey of like, why should I even do it? Why even try? Or like, no one cares. And it just has me reflecting, because if I really stayed in that mindset, I wouldn't even be where I'm at today. I wouldn't even be having these conversations like that with people. You see what I'm saying? Like it's crazy how like these small decisions can drastically change your life. So I guess I'm just like thankful that I didn't stay in that mindset I used to have, because I would have never got to this point. I guess like the fact that I was able to get out of that thinking and continue to move forward. And that's what I want you to take away from this video. Of if you have those thoughts, I want you to believe in yourself, believe that you have something of value to offer people, and continue to show up, because this journey ain't been pretty. It's been ugly, trust me. And it's been times where things didn't work. It's been times where I've quit, I've pivoted, I've tried different side hustles, different businesses. But one thing for sure is I kept going. And there was a time to where I truly believed in what I was doing. I didn't let myself and those thoughts get in my way, or stop me, or really derail me. But it could have. And I'm just thankful that I was able to pull myself up out of that, because if I wasn't, I wouldn't be in this position, and I wouldn't be able to work for myself and have purpose, alignment, and impact behind what I'm doing. So not just money. And I'm not saying I don't care about money, but for me, it's always needed something deeper there to feel like I have purpose in this world, to feel like I'm valuable. Let's be real. We all want to feel like we have purpose, to feel like we're of value in this world and that we can help people in some kind of way. Like that is a very fulfilling thing. And that's what I've gotten from this creative this side of my business where my coaching services um side of my business, man. It's very fulfilling. And other stuff I do is not as fulfilling. I'm not saying I don't like it, but this scratches that deeper itch that I have. You know what I'm saying? And I'm truly grateful, man. I'm truly grateful, and I will not stop showing up with whatever I'm doing, man, because the thing is, man, you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your message. You have to believe that whatever you're doing is of value. Cuz a lot of people, they question those things. And it shows whether you want to believe it or not. You got to believe in what you're doing, man. You truly do. And I know it's such a cliche thing to hear, but you truly do have to believe in it, man. And when you do, you may look back one day and you'll be like, man, look at me now. It's crazy. It's really crazy, man, because what I've come from is nothing. You know what I mean? Like I've built this from the ground up. It ain't perfect. It ain't pretty on some days, but it's mine, and I built it, and I've been able to really truly impact people through what I'm doing. And that for me is a great feeling. Yeah, this was just a great reminder of why I started, getting back to the basics of, not worrying about numbers so much, but being of value and helping people, right? Having impact behind what you're doing and purpose. And also just, you don't have to have everything figured out. Like this journey for me is it's just been a lot of honestly figuring stuff out. And it's worked out for me. I'm just a regular person who has, invested in myself. I've always been a person. I'm trying to learn new skills, learn new things, and just kept trying to get better at whatever it is. And it's something that is compounded and truly turned into something special. And I know maybe you watching this video, you may be in a phase to where you can't see that yet, or you don't truly believe in it yet. But I'm here to tell you it's possible. You got to get out of your own way, and you have to keep showing up, and you have to believe in what you're doing, and you have to trust the process. Yeah, man. Just a little chill video, man. It's the weekend. I usually I do work most weekends, and I have fun doing it. It's usually my coaching calls. I'm usually doing those on the weekends, man. And it's work, but it's fun. And just as much as like I told my client, like she got from it, I got a lot from it too, But I'm just building in real time, man, continuing to build, continuing to get better. Um, and just sharing the journey, man. Hopefully you can take something away from my story. Um, and just know that you can build something special, man. You truly can if you're willing to work, because a lot of people ain't willing to put in the work and just be consistent with it, and get out of your own way. You'll hear me say that a lot. Get out of your own way, because that's the big thing that I have struggled with. I still do sometimes. I see that with my clients as well. We get in our own way. It's like we can't reach this thing, but in all reality, we can if we just get out of our own way and just execute. I think it was a quote I said. My client was laughing of just punch perfection in the face and execute. That's a big part of why I've been able to achieve some of the stuff that I have achieved, because I was able to let go of being perfect, because it's not even about that. You got to give yourself a chance to get in the game and score buckets, and you can't do that if you just stuck in here in perfection. You got to get in the trenches and execute. You got to take more shots. You can't take shots if you're just in the overthinking and thinking everything has to be perfect. That's one of the biggest lessons I've learned. You'll get clarity behind your doing from whatever you're doing from action. You're not gonna get it from just sitting there thinking, like for real. But I got some more work I got to do today. I just felt really good about that call. Just reminded of like just little things, man, and just the purpose and impact that I have on people. And it's a great feeling. So thanks for listening, man. Hopefully y'all are having a great Saturday and have a great weekend. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.